Hey everyone, this is your video for Thermal Energy Lesson 2, Day 2. Okay, and what you guys are doing is just a continuation from yesterday's lesson. So you're watching the video completely, okay, and then complete your bell ringer, and then open your notebook, okay. Make sure you copied 10 slides 10, 11, and 12 from the view only version onto yours. Those are the ones that you're working on today. All right, so let's go take a look at them. So yesterday's lesson looked at this data. Okay, you were analyzing this data, answering these questions. Okay, now you're going to take this data and you're going to graph it. Okay, and I gave you a setup already. I drew a setup and put a picture in here. Do this on paper. Take your data and do this on paper. It's going to be so much easier and less frustrating if you do it on paper. Now remember, there are 5 sets of data, so you're going to have 5 different lines. So see if you can get some different colors, colored pencils or markers or pens, and put this together, okay? And then take a picture of it and post it in here like you guys did with your initial models, okay? And then after you do your graph, answer these 3 questions. You can't answer these questions until you do your graph. So the graph and these questions kind of go hand in hand. All right, so we're just looking at our data a little differently to see if it tells us anything else, okay? Because sometimes when we look at data in a chart, we can see something, but then when we look at it in a graph, it might tell us a little something different, okay? And then the last thing I want you guys to do today is your lesson tracker, okay? What cup features seem most important for keeping a drink cold? That goes back to this data, all right? This data should tell us what feature worked the best, okay? Answer that question. Tell me how you figure that out, which it would refer back to our investigation and our chart, and then see if you can come up with a model representation. If you can't come up with a model, that's okay. I really want to see your 2 answers here. Sometimes the model is a little tricky and we can talk about it in class. Okay, so those are your 3 slides for today. We're looking at our data a little differently. We're analyzing that new data, the way the new data looks, and then we're wrapping up our lesson with our model tracker. All right, y'all have a good day.